everyone, if you're looking for a simple but warm scarf, we have mohair scarf here. So this is a very simple one by one rib stitch, but this mohair is very floppy and thick, so it makes it very luxurious, I guess. And it's very warm and light and very soft. So this is very simple one by one rib stitch, which is one knit, one purl, and then I-cord fringes. So it makes it a little bit more different and fun. But this is super warm. I think it's perfect for the winter. And if you're looking for some texture and some nice looking scarf, I think this is great. So we made 3 samples. We have three different pink, but we have other colors very beautiful. And this was First Love. This is our new color of pink. It's like a blush pink. And we also have our signature hot pink. This is cute. I'm wearing matching hat. You can do that too. And then we have this pink. This is a pastel pink. Very beautiful color. So, but we have, I like pink. I can have have all, but we have other beautiful color. This is also new color. This is what do you call? Allure. So is it like a seafoam green? This is also very beautiful pastel color. We have other colors too. You can check it out. So this is, like I said, it's very simple. But the fringe makes it a little bit more interesting and fun. So I hope you like it. Ta-da-da. Oh, can you see? Okay, here we go.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.